First revision notes of class 10th maths polynomials. Definition: any expression of type a0 x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus up to an is called a polynomial of degree n if n is non-negative integer and a0, a1 dash up to an are real numbers. Zeros and roots of polynomial. Px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Now p2, in place of x put 2, we get 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So 2 is called 0 or root of polynomial. Now graph. Any quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has one of the two shapes, either open upward as shown here or open downward as shown here, depending upon a is greater than 0 or a is less than 0. A polynomial of degree n meets x-axis at most n points. Now ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, d is equal to b square minus 4ac, so d is called discriminant. Now d here, number of zeros, number of intersecting point with x-axis. If d is greater than 0, number of zeros 2 and number of intersecting point with x-axis 2. If d is equal to 0, number of zeros is equal to 1, number of intersecting point with x-axis 1. D less than 0, no point, as shown in the graph here. Here it is intersecting x-axis at 2 point, at 1 point, no point. If alpha and beta are roots of polynomial x square plus bx plus c, alpha plus beta is equal to minus p over a, alpha beta is equal to c over a, where a is coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is a constant term. If s is sum of the root, p is product of the root, then equation is x square minus xx plus p equal to 0. If alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus p over a, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So equation is x square minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. Form an equation whose roots are 3 and 2. Now sum of the root 5, product of the root 6. Equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now example here, find 0 polynomial x square minus 7x plus 10 and verify relationship between zeros and coefficients. X square minus 7x plus 10 equal to x minus 5 into x minus 10. Now x square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0 when x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 2. Sum of the root 5 plus 2 that is 7 minus b over a that is 7. Product of the root is 5 into root 10 that is c over a that is equal to 10. It is verified here. Example 3. Find quadratic polynomial whose roots are 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2. Find sum of the root 3 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2 equal to 6. Product of the root 2, 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2 is equal to 3 square minus root 2 square, 9 minus 2 equal to 7. So, quadratic polynomial is x square minus sx plus p equal to x square minus 6x plus 7. Example 4. If alpha, beta, gamma are zeros of polynomial x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6, find value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b over a minus 6 equal to 6. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a that is 11 by 1. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d over a that is equal to 6. Now 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Take alpha beta gamma LCM. Beta gamma alpha plus alpha beta is equal to 11 by 6. Find a polynomial with sum of the product taken 2 at a time and product of zeros as 2, minus 7, minus 14 respectively. Now answer required polynomial will be ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Now alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2 equal to minus b over a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 7 by 1, that is c over a. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 14, that is d over a. Therefore the cubic polynomial is x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14.